Ever spent hours debugging agent communication only to realize your AI team is trapped in a rigid hierarchy that can't adapt? Autogen engineers face chaotic coordination, brittle message routing, and manual tuning that feels like herding cats. This skill arms you with dynamic LLM powered role adaptation, hierarchical task delegation patterns, RESTful protocol optimization, and self correcting consensus algorithms. Imagine agents negotiating priorities through weighted voting while your system auto scales across Kubernetes clusters. For AI engineers drowning in YAML configs, ML leads battling shifting requirements, and NLP specialists craving fluid collaboration, this is your escape hatch. Finally, a multi agent framework that won't make you want to pull your hair out unless you're allergic to success. Here's what's inside the building-autogen-multi-agent skill. Master decentralized consensus protocols that eliminate single points of failure. Implement attention-based message routing for context-aware communication and deploy reinforcement learning loops for continuous workflow optimization. You'll get battle-tested templates for role-swapping architectures, priority-based task queues, and real-time collaboration dashboards with LLM temperature controls. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just another framework, it's your cheat code for building adaptive AI ecosystems that evolve with your business needs. Installing the Building Autogen multi-agent skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building autogen multi-agent. That's it. You'll download 12 expert crafted modules with production ready code templates for consensus algorithms, dynamic role engines, and distributed task runners. Your next Claude Code session automatically gains specialized knowledge in autogen orchestration patterns, message serialization tricks, and latency optimized cluster setups. No PhD required. Just run the command and watch your AI team start collaborating like Swaga's hottest startup. Upgrade your tooling from meh to mind blowing in the time it takes to brew coffee.